Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Thank you so much for being here. You guys, what I have in here to show you today is what I ended up getting on the $12.95 candle sale day. So, yes, sorry this video is a little late in posting, but I had other videos to show first, and so I want to go ahead and show you what I got, you guys. So really excited. I actually cracked it open already because I want to make sure nothing was broken upon receiving it, and everything looks a-okay. Looks pretty perfect condition to me. So, but there is one candle I haven't even opened because it's like glued shut. So I was gonna wait and do that with you guys here. So, but yeah, so let's go ahead and dive in, you guys. That was a really good sale, that $12.95, because you know those $32 and up candles. Well, that was the highest price one, is the $32.50. $12.95. Yes, please sign me up. So yes, I did get one of those. So let's start with this one because this one is glued shut, and it's interesting how some of them come glued like in shut, and then some of them are just in kind of like freestanding boxes. Okay, so you guys, I could smell this before I even open it. Okay, so here we have the world's best 3-wick candles guaranteed. Okay, this is, yes, it is a Christmas candle. I definitely wanted to get some more Christmas candles to add to my collection. And I mean, I have so many candles from last year and from SAS, but you guys, this is a new scent. So I definitely wanted to give this one a whirl, and I'm going to review it for you guys. Yes, this is so good. Okay, so this is the smoked vanilla whiskey. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells so good. This really smells like a fireplace, like going off, like, okay, you know when it's cold outside? I grew up kind of in the country a little bit, or I don't know how to explain it, but like on a lot of like acreage and that type of thing. And when our neighbors would, we burn like firewood, or they would burn like wood, do a burn pile in their backyard, because, we're allowed to do that where I'm from on certain days. And so when the cold mixed with that burning wood, it just reminds me of that. And it reminds me of like growing up, and it just, or like, when you're like, let's say you're going for a walk on a cool day, and like somebody has their fireplace running and the smoke in the air mixes with the coldness of the air outside, the chill. That to me is what it's reminding me of. It's a very unique scent. And you guys, I love this packaging too. It's more on the, simplistic side, but it's also kind of, it also has beauty in it because it has like a little bit of like glitter. It's like frosted. So it does have like a little bit of like, glitter. It's like kind of hard to see, but it's there. I mean, it's frosted, definitely frosted. I wouldn't say so much glitter, more frosted, but as you turn it, you see this kind of like, I don't know, it's just really pretty, guys. I really love this whole candle, collection. This one has, of course, a bunch of other scents with it, but this one is just so good. It's just really, really good. And the keynotes are going to be dark oak, bourbon reserve, and smoked vanilla. I have to have another scent of that. So this, well, on cold, it seems as though it'll be like a 10 out of 10 throw, you guys. So I'm really looking forward to trying this one out. Here again is the front, and it has like an ornament on it. I think it's gonna be like a luminary. It doesn't say luminary, but it's gonna be a luminary because it's like frosted, so you can see through it. But yeah, there it is, you guys. I'm so excited for $12.95. Great time to try it. And it smells like wood burning. It smells so good. It's like different than, what is the other one? Well, the one I'm burning right here, Marshmallow Fireside. It's different than this one right here, the Marshmallow Fireside right next to me, guys. It's a different type of smoky scent. Oh, geez, I just dropped something. Totally different, totally different to me. Oh, this is so good. Okay, guys, I highly recommend this one. I know I'm talking about this one, but it's just really a fun one, an interesting one. The lid is a little bit thinner on this one. They gave us this type of lid. And there it is. Okay, so there it is. Okay, the next one I want to show you. I'm just so excited about all of these, you guys. Okay, so we got this one down, a couple more to go. All right, this one, which one is this one? I think I'm saving the best for last, or my favorite for last. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna save it for last. Okay, so the next one is, you guys, check this one out. Okay, here we go. This one I could actually open it. It wasn't, you can see the lid right there. This one was not like glued shut or anything like that. So I ended up getting the I didn't realize I'm matching my sweater with it today. That was not even planned. The winter candy apple, you guys. Oh yes, this is, I love this scent. I have it in single wick candles already, but I really love it, and I love this jar. It is a look at me candle. This is like, look at me, I'm center stage, look at me. It's just so pretty, that red. I mean, it is, and I just think it's gorgeous. With this lid, ooh, like they not only gave us the Santa lid, the Santa face lid, they gave us a bunch of different lids, you guys, this year. Like for Christmas, like these fancy decked out lids. Like literally they gave us so many lid options for the glass. You know, Halloween we had one, which I love, the skull lid, but Christmas, I think that's 4, 5, maybe 6 options that I can think of right now. But yeah, here's a front or a closer view of the beautiful like cut glass lid. It looks like poinsettias on there. And oh, you guys, I can still smell this candle in the air. Like literally can still smell it. Okay, so here it is without, you know, sitting on the candle. Now what you can do with these too, I'm gonna show you something too. But you see how it kind of like has this beautiful like almost like a, how do I say it? A rainbow effect. Like a prism, like it because of the cut, the way it's cut. Oh, you guys, it is so good. This is so good. Oh my gosh, so good. So this is like it's red apples, sorry, crisp pear and candied oranges. 29.50? Yeah, $29.50 for $12.95. There's the color of the wax. So this one is, this is what the one that has like almost like a quilted design to me. It reminds me of like a quilt. But what I love about this one with these lids is that they're like interchangeable. So what I could do is if I want to recycle these lids, which I will, I can go ahead and pop it on this one here. The smoked vanilla whiskey. For some reason that name's not sticking in my head. Look at how gorgeous that is with the red lid. Oh my goodness gracious. That just like brought it up a couple notches, you guys. Whoa, look at how different. Wow, it's like jewelry for the candle. Do you see that? What a difference. Whoa, that made a huge difference. So winter candy apple came home with me. I'm excited about that. And this one throws really well too, the winter candy apple. I want to mention that as well. And I'm just really thrilled to have it. Okay, next up on the list. Actually, I'll show you this. I got body care as well. And then I'll go into the other candle I got. So I got the rainbow swirl candy. Yes. Okay. This packaging's so darling with the little neon, you know, lights on it. It's just really cute. We've got the candy canes all over. I love candy canes. I want some candy canes right now and I'm thinking about it. But yeah, I'm seeing candy canes at the grocery store already, you guys. Like, I'm like, oh yes, like sign me up. I love candy canes. What is your favorite candy cane flavor? I think I'm like OG like peppermint. I think that's like my favorite one, I think. But there's also good. But I think if I had to choose, I would choose the peppermint one just because, like I said, I love the OG one. But I love like the, like, you know how they come out with like Starburst has them and all these different name brands make their own candy canes. Yeah. Okay. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and try this on. I love this icy blue packaging. Like the lid is really pretty. The blue lid. Again, blues with the greens and reds for Christmas. Can't go wrong with that. Looks really pretty. Oh, this smells so good. It does smell like candy. This is really sweet. Ooh, I like this one. Oh, wow. This is like candy. I can't put my finger on it, but it's like a gourmand. It's like a candy, like, you know, if you go to like a candy shop, it kind of has that, like, you know, the air smells like sweet candy. That's like kind of, it's good, guys. It's really, really good. I don't have the keynotes on this one. But this comes, of course, in a bath fizzy. We got fine fragrance mist, lip gloss as well. So a couple different formulas or different options for this particular scent. That one gets 2 thumbs up for me. Okay, last but not least, you guys. Yes, I saved this one. Woo, so excited. Okay, let me go ahead and move the box over and dive into this one. Here we go. So it's almost even like busting out of the box because it's so big with the lid on it. You guys can see like kind of coming out of the box. But here we go. Here we go. And I love how they packaged it, you guys. They packaged it with some love, okay? Let me show you this. Like they totally, you guys, by the way, I'm wearing, if you can't see it all the way, I'm wearing a reindeer, my little Rudolph reindeer sweater, you guys. I love it so much. There's my little reindeer on. There's Rudolph. So yeah, I'm wearing that. Okay, so here we have the Perfect Christmas. This is so good, you guys. This candle is so nice. So nice. And look what they did with shipping it. They put it in plastic on the lid. I thought that was quite interesting. So here we have Santa's face, you guys. Hooray, there he is. So Santa's face, there's Saint Nick. He's so cute. I love it. And this is a very well-made lid. It's super heavy duty. You can see the interior. Look at that. It's like so like heavy quality duty. And but that makes sense how I said it. I don't think I said that backwards. But anyway, very cute little lid. Okay, again, these are interchangeable. So that's what I like about it too. It's almost like, you know what? I dropped my water on the ground. Oh my gosh. I just felt like this puddle. Okay, you guys, I will be right back. I literally just felt, oh, I have something right here I can wipe it with. I literally just felt, oh my gosh, and I have wood flooring. I have a water bottle on my desk and I dropped it and I was like, what is that wet thing I'm stepping in? Okay, guys, it's just water. So anyway, okay, I'm wiping it up right now. Okay, don't mind me, but I don't want to let that sit on my wood floors. Okay, because then it's Warp City on these wood floors. All right, back to the candles. Okay, so anyways, the Perfect Christmas. This is so, so good. And I love, okay, so last year it was, or was it the year before? I have to look back. But the reindeers, the Santa and the reindeer were going over the candle, but it was like stretched out. Yeah. Or was that on 'Tis the Season? I have that candle. Okay, I'm totally blinking. Okay, I think it's reminding me of 'Tis the Season, the one that comes in the ornament box. Like it's an ornament in this year's advent calendar with, yeah, I have it. That's what it is. Okay. So I have the 3-wick candle that I want to, next time I'll haul it, I'll show you. That is, I still have it unburned. That looks just like the ornament for this year, you guys. I love that ornament. I want that ornament so bad in the advent calendar box. But I do have the candle unburned and I'm going to bring it out and put it up here because I want that ornament, an ode to that ornament. Anyways, the Perfect Christmas. I do love the magic of this, the whimsicalness of this. And let me go ahead and show you, keynotes are going to be fresh cut pine, cinnamon sugar, and toasted marshmallow. This was originally $32.50 down to $12.95. So I'm going to put the lid on and show you what it looks like with the lid. Here we go. There's Santa on the lid. Beautiful. Here we go. And then what I want to do is I want to try this out. I'm going to put the winter candy apple lid on the Perfect Christmas. Let's see if it fits. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty that looks. Oh my gosh, that really picks up the red in the label there. Doesn't it? It really, really does. It actually reflects red on the inside. I'm seeing red in the light. Do you see that? How interesting is that? It's like throwing in the light in there. I hope it's showing in the camera. But yeah. So either way, you guys, these lids are like totally universal. Again, totally universal. Even the smoked vanilla whiskey. Let's put Santa on there. And see how pretty it looks. It just looks so pretty. So anyways, that is my haul, you guys. I am so thrilled with it. It's a smaller haul, I know, with these candles, but I had my eyes on these and I was like, you know, and I'll get more on the next candle sale, you know, like this, you know, big sale. Again, Candle Day is coming up, you guys. Woo-wee! So excited for that one. I'm getting ready for that one as well. So that's why I'm kind of slowing my pace down a little bit for the candles right now because Candle Day is coming up. So I'm going to be, you know, having fun on that day. It's 2 days and I'm so excited. 2 days of candle sale day and I plan to go to both days because you guys know me. I gotta check it out. So anyways, you guys, that is it. Like I said, for my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you all so much for being here. Would love to hear what you ended up getting on the $12.95 candle sale day. Did we get the same ones and that type of thing? And yeah, so anyways, you guys, so with that being said, have a beautiful day, you guys. I will see you all very, very soon with my next walkthrough, haul, or both. So till next time, take care and God bless always, always. And I will see you soon, my friends. Bye for now.